runway 16 right, begin our takeoff from John Cargo 5. Tower United 2820 inbound ILS 16 right, and ILS Yankee 16 right.
United 2820 right now, runway 16 right, for Greenwich, wind 280.
Wait, reposition will continue to approach United 2820.
Pitch 525, steady. And pitch 525, carry the down, hold the shuttle, runway 16 right,
Shuttle runway 16 right, yeah, pitch 525.
Delta Tower, Delta Alpha, 91 Charlie Papa, information Oscar.
Delta Alpha, 91 Charlie Papa, carry the down, go ahead.
91 Charlie Papa, approaching Jinbei Point 1500, ticket landing, helipad west.
Delta Alpha, 91 Charlie Papa, runway 16 left and right in view, wind 270 at 6, report over launch.
Runway 16, report over launch, 91 Charlie Papa.
We have clear right now, hold short runway.
Shuttle runway 16 right, yeah, pitch 525.
United 2820, Boeing 777 returning, runway 16 right, clear down, wind 270.
Okay, clear down 16 right, United 2820.
And the Tokyo departure, 124, this 124.
Departure 124, destination London, J check code.